We're going to take a look at the content block for WordPress Gutenberg called Gallery. So we're going to go up here to add a content block. We're still under common blocks and we're going to go down to Gallery. All right, so Gallery is going to be a block of images. And they can be different sizes, but it'll be a little bit messy if they're not the same size. So it's not a slideshow, but it's going to be in a gallery of images. So all we have to do is go to upload, find your images that you made that are the same size. And in my case, I just now made a few. You know what? I am missing one. Headlines, list, and we need quotes. So what I did is I went over to Canva and I made them all the same size. And I'm downloading these to my desktop. Okay, there we go. Now we'll go back over here to our blog and upload. There they are. So I kind of just made 3 logo size images and it creates a very nice content block here. You can see here, upload an image, so I could have that be a different size, or I could put in several more of this size. And obviously this is going to make for a very visually pleasing gallery. Also, if I go to edit, I can edit those items in the gallery. I can add captions to each one of those if I want to. I can drag and drop the order. Okay. And so that is a nice way just to add some visuals to your blog. And again, our whole goal here is to get rid of that old chunky blocks of text they used to kill our eyes. Now we want there to be all kinds of different elements. And this is what Gutenberg is allowing us to do, which I think is quite nice. So that's how you add gallery using WordPress Gutenberg content blocks.